Hi everyone, I am Navin Kumar Kupiya Sankar. I am student of RAVENSBOURNE University, London. My topic is sustainable plastic alternatives, and my project introduction and my project description is sustainable plastic alternatives is a new eco-friendly business venture based on Hackney, London, focused on providing affordable and durable alternatives to traditional plastics. The project aims to reduce plastic pollution and support environmental sustainability through innovation, strong supplier relationship, and public awareness. Key areas include stakeholder engagement, risk management, financial planning, and supplier assessment to ensure scalability, compliance, and long-term viability while meeting the growing consumer demand for sustainable products. Project objectives: develop a scalable and eco-friendly plastic alternatives product line, minimize environmental impact through sustainable sourcing and waste reduction, achieve financial sustainability by year 2 with effective cost control, educate consumers and raise awareness about proper use of disposal, and project baseline, resource sheet and cost overview. Established a project baseline to monitor schedule cost and scope performance, providing a clear benchmark for tracking progress and identifying variances yearly. And resource sheet, developed a detailed resource sheet allocating human material and cost resources effectively to avoid over allocation and ensure optimal utilization. Generated a cost overview to visualize total and individual task cost, enabling better financial control and supporting accurate budgeting forecasting. Integrated resource and cost data to maintain alignment with the baseline, ensuring timely and cost-effective delivery of project milestones. And stockholder analysis, clearly categorizing stakeholders into internal and external group, improved focus in communication and engagement strategies. Using a power interest matrix helped prioritize high impact stakeholder like government bodies and investors, ensuring their needs were addressed yearly, recognizing and R&D teams as a key internal driver, emphasizing the importance of foresting creativity through informal communication and agile collaboration, mapping high interest groups such as consumer and environmental NGOs guided the project to stay aligned with sustainability expectations and market demands. And project lifecycle analysis. The structure used of lifecycle stages allowed the team to identify and address unique challenges to at each phase, promoting better control and risk mitigation throughout the project. The initiation phase realizes the initial phase realistically acknowledged hurdles like high protection cost and consumer skepticism with well thought out solutions such as supply chain optimization and bioplastic testing. In the planning stage, the team's proactive stance against external threats like logistics and in infrastructure gaps throughout advocacy and strategy partnerships showed strong foresight. At the closure or handover phase, consumer focused strategies like loyalty programs and awareness campaigns effectively addressed post launch challenges, improving user engagement and adoption. And financial analysis, the financial forecasting and breakdown of cost provide a clear scalable model for growth, indicating a positive trajectory with steady turnover and gross profit increases over 6 years. The break-even points reached by year 2 is a strong indicator of the project financial viability and yearly profitability. And supporting long-term sustainability, the calculated playback period of 1 year aligns with the project's potential for quick returns, reflecting the effective investment strategy and strong cash flow management. Take task cost breakdown is the early stages initiation and planning. Demonstrate thoughtful resource allocation, ensuring the key activities like market research and raw material procurement and adequate funded. And the supplier assessment matrix, the balanced approach to evaluating suppliers on environmental, social, and financial forecast supplier relationships factors ensure that sustainable plastic alternatives aligns with its sustainability goals with maintaining business performances. High ratings in material durability, eco certification, and reliability demonstrate the company commitment to quality, sustainability, and long-term supplier relationships, which are crucial for consistent product supply. And health and safety analysis, the company proactive approach to worker safety, such as the use of protective gear and fire suppression systems, emphasize strong commitment to minimizing physical threats during production and storage activities. High risk areas like worker exposure to harmful chemicals and heavy machinery operation injuries are addressed with rigorous safety protocols including training and PPE requirements, helping to ensure worker protection. To company implementation of ventilation system and air quality checks demonstrate an active effort to mitigate hazards related to airborne microplastics, reflecting a clear focus on health safety for both worker and on the surrounding environment. Long-term health risk and supply chain contamination are well managed through health screening, rotation shift, and strained quality control, ensuring long-term sustainability while protecting worker and consumers. And the risk analysis, financial risk, particularly the high production cost of sustainability alternatives, present significant threat to affordability, which could limit market adoption. Mitigation are essential to reduce this financial burden. And the final stage is a conclusion. The stakeholder engagement and clear communication with both internal and external stakeholder are crucial for alignment interest, managing conflicts, and ensuring project success, particularly with high interest stakeholders like regulators and the R&D team. A structured project lifecycle with attention to planning, execution, and closure stages alongside proactive risk management will help navigate key challenges such as production cost, consumer skepticism, and regulatory hurdles, ensuring smoother project delivery. Thank you.